Forklifts have been widely used in multiple sectors wherever there's a heavy material handling involved. Some of the key industries that use forklift include your warehousing, logistics, retail, construction, ports, and as well as the airports. These equipments, the forklifts, play a very efficient and an important role in transporting or moving the material from point A to point B or within the working environment. Traditionally, forklift operator training has been conducted using the classroom-based sessions, post which the operators or the trainees have been given a hands-on experience on the actual forklift equipment. However, due to the operational efficiency concerns and the high training cost involved, the training are not been conducted extensively on the actual equipment. Well, despite the traditional operator training which has been conducted for the forklift, there still remains multiple challenges pertaining to the training, which involves the accessibility to the actual equipment, the risk involved to the equipment as well as to the person who is operating it, and the high operational costs. Simulator-based training addresses all of these issues by providing a very safe, cost-effective, and an environment wherein an operator can get himself trained multiple times on the same situations or certain emergency situations wherein he can master his skills by improving his operational and overall productivity in the forklift. Tecknotrove offers a unique advantage with its one simulator multiple equipment solution, wherein the user can use a single platform or any kind of material handling equipment on a single simulator platform. Well, some of the key benefits involved in using one simulator accommodating multiple equipment type is that it reduces the overall training cost, the installation space required, and it provides a very consistent and a standardized training platform for all the operator or the workforce involved. The switchover between these multiple equipments are very simple, and the training tool provided is scalable in the future, wherein if required multiple other equipments can be also accommodated as per the training requirement.